Hi, I'm Alimat I, student at Zeitnah Institute of Quantity Survey. First of all, I thank Harsha ma'am, Taj sir, Mridula ma'am and whole Zeitnah team for guiding me and giving me opportunity to join your institution and making me successful in completing the course and getting a good job. The course was very much helpful for me. I was able to learn both post-contract and pre-contracts of quantity surveying. The QS course was based on GCC projects. The syllabus was well designed and the classes were based on our timings. I was able to learn quantity takeoffs, reinforcement calculations, payments, invoice preparation, RFQ preparation, Excel calculations, AutoCAD drawings, etc., which was very useful during my interviews. After the completion of course, I was able to get a good job with better benefits. I'm proud to be a part of Zeitnah. Thank you.